This is the maiden voyage of Scott Marcusen's smallest helicopter. Let it fly.
Okay.
Fly, fly. Here it goes. In front of the Dave Matthews television. Yeah, good. Put it, if you can, put it over by the foosball table. There it is. Yeah, I can see it better than that light over there. I'm gonna put this shit on YouTube, get some hits. Look at that skill. Missing the chandelier. YouTube. Oh, that's a good pick right there. Look at that freaking death skill. Alright, I gotta get a shot of the copter and his operator here. There they are. One and the same. Two dorks, one control.
Two dorks.
One control. Majesty. Oh, that's a good pick. Dude, that's a really good.
Woo.
It's like blue steel. Here it comes. Come towards me, bitch. Bring it.
Come right at you.
Bring it. Oh, God. Ah! What? What fly work? Wow. Yeah.